Boil over. Boil over. When a hot liquid spills out of a container. I left the milk on the cooker, and it boiled over. Cut off. Cut off. To remove parts of food by cutting it. Jane cut off the top of the peppers and put them in a pot. Eat out. Eat out. To have a meal in a restaurant. Let's eat out tonight. I want to visit the new restaurant. Take away. Take away. To buy food in a restaurant and take it somewhere else to eat. 1 burger to take away, please. Chop up. Chop up. To cut into small pieces. Chop up the carrots. Eat up. Eat up. Eat all of something. Mary is going to eat up the pizza, she is so hungry. Cut down. Cut down. To reduce the amount of consumption. If I want to lose weight, I have to cut down on fast food. Go off. Go off. To expire, spoiled or rotten, as of food or drink. I think this soup has gone off. Fry up. Fry up. To cook food in hot oil of fat. I am frying up some bacon on the pan. Whip up. Whip up. To prepare food quickly. I don't have much time, so I'll whip up an omelette. Dig in. Used to tell people to start eating the food. Dig in. There's plenty for everyone. Mix in. Mix in. To add a liquid or some other substance to another. Mix in the butter with dry ingredients. Warm up. Warm up. To heat a meal which had been cooked before. I want to warm up milk before I pour it into my coffee. Bake off. Bake off. Finish babbling, partly baked food. She baked off the cakes in the oven. Cut up. Cut up. Cut something into small pieces. He cut the pie up into little pieces. Pig out. Pig out. To eat a lot of food at one time. He pinged out the burger. Knock back. Knock back. To drink or swallow quickly. When John got to the bar, he immediately asked for a big whiskey and knocked it back. Cool down. Cool down. Allow hot food to become cool enough to eat. Let the tart cool down before serving. Top up. Top up. Add more drink to someone's glass or cup. Would you like me to top up your wine? Eat in. Eat in. To eat a meal at home instead of going to a restaurant. I'm too tired to go out. Let's eat in instead.